Hello guys, welcome back into my YouTube channel. This is Ankit Dhaka and today we are going to complete our next task of the Spark Foundation. And the task is, as a sports analyst, we need to find the top teams, player and the factors and all the contributions, win or loss of the team. And this is the IPL data set, and this is the link where you can download the data. And in the first cell, first we are going to import all the basic library as usual. Let me run this cell. In the next cell, this is for importing the data set, and using the dot head method, you can display the first 5 rows. Similarly, you can display last 5 rows using dot tail. Now, done is to pre-processing of the data set. So this is our shape of our data. In this cell, all the columns inside the data set. And the next, this is overall information about the data. Information means like all the columns and then count, null count and the data types. Okay, and the memory usage and the everything, like you can check using the dot info. Next cell, here you can see like all the missing values in the data set, and you can check in the city we have the 7 missing values, and the player of match is 4, and the winner is also 4, and umpire 3 637, and the umpire 1 and umpire 2. So there is lot of missing values, and we need to deal with all the missing values. So first, in the umpire tree, because it's containing missing values, it's a lot of missing values. Here the total rows of 736, and we have the missing values 637, and it's not important, so we can drop using this method like mdf.drop, and give the column name. Okay, and after that you can using the same dot head for display the first 5 rows. Perfect. In the next cell, now we need to deal with the city where 7 values is missing, and 4 in winner. Okay, so you need to check the unique values in the city columns, and here all the unique values in the city column. It's Hyderabad, Pune, Rajkot, Indore, Bangalore, Mumbai, Kolkata. In the next cell, this is the columns where cities are null. So in this result, we can see all the missing values, all the matches with the missing city was played at Dubai International Stadium. So we can feel missing value with the Dubai city. Okay, because this stadium is already we all are now in the Dubai city. And the next cell, this is the this cell will help you to filling the missing value in the column. Okay, so we are going to in the city column and dot fill LA Dubai. It's done. Now turn to deal with missing values of winner and player of matches. And here we can see all the missing values with the result, winner and player of match. Actually, there is no result of match. You clearly can see this result. Okay. So after that, actually with the result, there is no result of match, so we cannot remove anything. Okay. In the next cell, now turn to deal with the missing value of umpire 1 and umpire 2. So using this line, you can check all the columns where umpire 1 is null and umpire 2 also. So in the umpire 1 and umpire 2 is null, and where the city is Bangalore and IT is 5, and the season is 2017, where the team 1 is Royal Challenger Bangalore and team 2 is Delhi. Okay, so in the above cell, I also mentioned here, we can see umpire 1 and umpire 2 both are having null values. Yeah, we can see both are having the null values, and so let's deal with it. So in the umpire 1 result, where the team 1 is Royal Challenger Bangalore and team 2 is Delhi Daredevils, and the toss winner is Royal Challenger, where the toss winner is Royal Challenger. and we're going to find the umpire 1 value. Okay, after this line of code, the result will help us. It's umpire 1, where the umpire 1 is seeking under, and the summoning in the umpire 1 as a summoning, and the BG journaling in the umpire 2. Okay, so we are going to fill this value. Similarly, we are going to check with umpire 2, and in this cell we are going to fill in the data in the missing places. In the next cell, you can see all the unique values in each column. Okay, so ID is having the 756 unique values, and the city is 33, and the team 1 is 15, and team 2 is also 15, result is 3. Similarly, okay, the next cell, you can print it all the cities hosted Indian Premier Leagues matches. This is the Abu Dhabi, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, every city is here. So in this result, we have one confusion, like in here Bangalore and Bangalore, actually we know like this is the same. So we have to actually change this in the Bangalore to Bangalore, and so now, so it's done. We have changed Bangalore to Bangalore. In the next cell, we are going to printing all the teams played IPL. So this is all the teams where Rising Pune Super Giants and the Super Giants, actually this also is same. So we need to actually merge the Rising Pune. Okay. Okay, done. So now turn to check with the team 2. Similarly, we can check all the unique values. Okay, and this is the statically overview of our data, where the standard deviation minimum and mean by runs and the season, and accordingly, it's everything is here. And this is our second data set, because this task is having two data set. We have displayed the first 5 rows. In the next cell, we have displayed the last 5 rows, and similarly we have checked the shape of our data set, and the next cell, all the columns inside the data set. Actually, we have done all the things similarly. I mean, in the first data set. And the next cell, this is the overall information about our data set, and like there is all the columns and the data types, and the, checking the non-null count. Okay. In the next cell, we're going to check the missing values in the data set. So on the last 3 columns having a lot of missing values, uh, then the columns is player dismissed, and the dismissal guide, and the fielders. And we all know players cannot be dismissed every ball when the player is not out, and or any given ball. And fielders also can concede small missing values, and cannot be involved in every dismissal. And the next cell, this is the statistical overview of our next data set. And this cell is having a result of complete frame of both data set. Actually, in this cell, we have merged both of our data frame, because and where our first data set is MTF and the second one is TDF. Okay. Here you are. Let me run one more cell. Now we have stored this data set as a result. So result dot save. So now the shape of our data set is 38, where in the previous we already know where the shape of our data set is 21, and the first data set is 18. So it's a combination of both data sets. And now turn for the data visualization part. So in the first set, now first we are going to category batch analysis, and here all the teams with their wins, and here Mumbai Indians is having most wins as compared to other. In the next cell, we have is plotting a graph with the total number of wins, and here all the teams. So Mumbai Indians is having most of the number of wins. It's similarly we have just count plot and take a winner in the data set in the result. Okay, and we have used the dark background. Yeah, now it's dark background. And the next cell, we are going to plotting a graph for matches placed in each season of IPL. And yeah, so now we have plotting this graph with respect to the count. And here actual number of matches played in season 2013, actually most of the matches played in 2013. And the next cell, this is the plotting a graph in the different the stadiums in the different cities. Okay, similarly we have using the code of count plot and take the city. Okay. So according to the result, Mumbai is having the most number of uh, stadium, and after that we are going to plot a graph between the season and the toss decision. So in this, most of the season we can see 2008, 9, and 10, and everything. The toss decision was filled first. Okay, like it's a blue color represent the field. It's a 2008 and the blue, and the 2019 actually most of the teams took their decision as a batting first. Okay, and now we are going to plot a pie chart on the toss decision. Overall, actually around 60% times captain took decision field after winning the toss. And now it's represent like it's a reason. Actually, it's a effect of the toss decision. Okay, where the blue represent the field and the second color is represent the batting, and this is the when the teams winning the tosses and choose field and have won matches most of the times. Okay, so in this cell, it's represent the teams with their decision. So in the most of the teams choose field first. Actually, we can say like Royal Challenger Bangalore is also took decision like it's a field first, and similarly most of the teams and except the Pune Warriors and the Chennai Super Kings. It's a Chennai Super Kings is it's a batting first. This is all the top 10 batsmen according to the match result. So it's a top 10 player of IPL is Chris Gayle is having the rank first, and this is we are going to print a winner season wise. So this is the the winner according to the season. Okay, in this cell we will print the number of season won by the team. So Mumbai Indians actually won most of the matches in the season, and 4, and Kolkata Knight is 2, and the Chennai Super Kings is 3. And in this cell we are going to top 10 batsmen according to their match result. Okay, so everything like we have plotting this graph using their run actually. So Virat Kohli and SK Raina and RG Sharma, and this is all the batsmen and with respect to the total run. Okay, so Virat Kohli is having a first rank. In this graph, all the top bowlers and the wicket taker. So Malinga is a most wicket taker of IPL. Yeah, in this we will print number of 6 hit by the teams, and similarly we have Jack 4 hit by the teams. And now we are going to print number of matches placed by the batsman. So SK Raina is more experience. Actually, he placed around 162 number of matches. And then RJ Sharma. And next it's dismissals in IPL. So catch most of the I mean the most of the wicket dismissals in IPL is catch and then bowled and then run out. And this is the top 10 bowler of the dot balls. Harbhajan Singh is 1244. The next cell, this is the top 10 bowler. Actually, we have plotting a graph with this result. So now we are going to check the top 10 fielders, and MS Dhoni is having the rank first and 159 uh, with the result of 159, and then Karthikeya 152. So with help of this result, we have plotting a graph, and MS Dhoni is involved in the most number of as a fielder. And the next cell, let's check the top 10 venue details. So in the venue and the city, Eden Gardens and the city of Kolkata. So it is the having the first rank. Number of matches is 77. And now we have plotted the graph using this result. It's a top 10 venue with hosted matches. So Eden Garden is hosted, most of the number of matches. It's 77. So now turn to check the match result. So normal matches is 743, and the tie 9, and the no result is 4. And in the next cell we are going to check the super over, and now we are going to replace 0 for a no and the 1 as a yes for the pattern analysis. So after that, in the next cell we clearly can see, so super over is 81. Only the 81 times super over is happened according to this data set. And thank you guys. Now our task is over, and hope you really like this code, and let me know if you having any problem or any question, and you can comment below. And this is analysis report after visualizing all the things. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.